In our presentation, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings, and we're gonna talk about the subscription first. So you don't have to pay for Etsy. Etsy's free. The easy standard is really all you need to get started. Now, if you wanna pay for the plus is gonna cost $10 a month. And basically what they're gonna give you is 50 credits for free, which is literally 50 listings, which is $3, and $5 in credit for ads. So you're gonna run ads and you're gonna do this, it's already $8 of the $10 already covered. For the other $2, what they give you is pretty much, literally they give you these things. It's like restock requests where, when you're out of stock and a customer wants to buy something, they say, hey, can you add restock? A custom web address where you can personalize your address for Etsy, which is nothing spectacular, and then some other discounts. What also adds that is mentioned here is ways to customize your store, which I'm going to show you when we go into the banner section, because you can create carousels and you can create collections like in Shopify, that you can actually get all your collections into one place and make them display or pretty, and then make collages and stuff like that. That is, to some people, that is worth the $10 alone. I actually like it. I use it once I have, but I don't upgrade until I have my store ready set up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start paying the $10 until it is time. Because they don't give you a 30-day trial, so I don't want to waste my my trial until my store is pretty much ready. I am still going to use the 15 credits. I am still going to use the $5 a month and ads. So the $2 to be able to have a carousel banner, which I don't ever use the carousel banner. I care less about the carousel banner, but I use the images in my collections and create collages. That is a big plus for me, and that is what I actually pay for this in my stores. So the next setting is the info and appearance. And here's what we're gonna have, and here is when you're gonna have some catchy shop title, okay? And the shop title, it's something like, where all your dreams come true, or, we make your child's, your child's infancy be a happy one. I don't know, whatever is relevant to your niche, come up with some catchy phrase that actually makes sense, that it has some keywords in there, okay? Because it helps with the search. So make sure that you have your job title here covered. And let me actually get my video panel again. Now the shop icon, this is your, okay, let me find an Etsy store. I don't know, any Etsy store. Okay. This is your store icon, okay? Now this is the one, actually let me drag this one here. This is the one that's square, and this has to be at least 500 pixels by 500 pixels. Okay, so make sure, of course, in Etsy, it never matters if it's JPEG, PNG, or NGIF, whatever you want to design is fine, because they convert everything to optimization anyways. It's not like in Shopify that you have to have everything JPEG because you want to make sure that your store loads fast. Here, you can use whatever you want to do. Now, some people use this for the logo. Some people use this to promote something. So it's entirely what you want to do. And these ones, you can do them in Canva. So you just go to Canva, and all you do is create a design with custom dimensions, and you do 500 by 500, create a new design. And here you have, and then you know how to use Canva. I don't want to spend a lot of time using Canva. All you do is copy and drag here and make something happen. Okay, you can do the text, you can do whatever, and then you download it, and then you upload it there. And that is gonna make your life a lot easier, and you're gonna get your conversions way higher than by just having a simple logo here. Okay, make use of your real estate, always thinking about making a sale. Don't worry about vanity. A logo is important, put it in here, and I'm gonna tell you right now where to put it. If you want to do an order receipt banner, it can be the same banner you use for your store, and we're gonna talk about the banner later. But also in this banner, you can do a call to action, like follow me on Facebook, and you can have the link in there to follow you on Facebook or whatever you want to do. Okay, so, and then you can upload it 760 by 100 pixels. It tells you all the information you really need to know about the banners. It tells you the sizes that you need to have so that you don't need to really copy anything. Connect to Facebook, connect to Twitter. You have a Facebook page. Here's where you enter your Facebook page. Make sure that you give the link to the Facebook page and it will be connected. You have a Twitter, it's going to connect to your Twitter account here. Shop announcements. I'm going to talk to you about the banner in a little bit. Okay. Now the banner is going to be in another section. And what we want to make sure is the banner is that, actually, you know what? Let's talk about the banner right now before we go there. So here's the banner. We're going to edit the shop. The banner, you go where it says Etsy, where it says the name, the banner, you find it where the green, or I'm sorry, with the orange little Etsy banner is. You click that and you get this page. You click on, edit shop. I'm gonna close that. Okay, and now what you have to do here is that in the banner, this is right here in the top, you click top here. And now, remember when I told you that you get a carousel or a collage? That's not the ones that you get to only pay if you have the $10 monthly plan. You cannot do these ones unless you're paying for that. The big banner is the one I prefer. Okay, I like the big banner because I can add more information there. Now, if you have nothing really to add, the small banner is fine. You can use that one if you want to. Now, one thing you have to keep in consideration is that look into the iPhone or the tablet or whatever. In your PC, your logo or your image looks in the left-hand side and under the banner. In mobile, your logo or whatever it's called, I forgot the name, your shop icon is exactly in the middle, just like in Facebook. So if you have any content here in the banner, at the bottom, center bottom, it's going to be blocked on the mobile. So always you want to make any words messaging, make it here or make it here. So let's say we want to do a big banner and we want to do 1200 by 300 pixels. We can do everything here, that's fine. But what we want to do is we want to have a heading. This heading, you say, join our newsletter and save 10% today. Or whatever discount you want to provide, whatever discount you want to give. And then you can there is some elements here that you can make an arrow, point it down. And the reason is, if you do this and you upload your banner here, what this is going to do is you're going to add the image here, you're going to drop your banner here, is that when you go to your announcements, you see, we are telling them here to, our newsletter, send today's name, link in the announcements. Of course, you make it pretty, you make it small, you make it fit. You make some design there, you make it pretty. And in the announcements, which are also here, the shop icon in here, save 10% by joining our newsletter here. When you have an autoresponder, what you're going to, an autoresponder like Aweber, when you create, it's going to be something called a form. And the form, and I'm going to show you when we go to Aweber, we're going to show you how we do forms. And the form is going to have a link where people can go to that form. In that form, people are going to provide the name and email. And then that name and email is going to be added to your email list. We're going to create, I'm going to show you how to create an automation that when that email is received, the automation is going to send them an email back right away with a coupon. Whatever coupon you decide to do, whatever coupon name you decide to do, and I'll show you in later how to make the coupons, and the customer is going to get a coupon. That is going to get you a lot of emails. Even if they don't buy, just the fact that you're making them an offer, people go here, they give you emails, and they get the coupon. Your store is always going to be on sale, so this coupon is never going to be as good as the sale anyways, but or it can be better. It's up to you what to decide. But these little announcements here, combined with your banner telling them to go and give you their email, here, it's going to get your email list to grow. You can do in this banner whatever you want. What a lot of people make mistakes is that they use this thing for a logo. That is not what this is for. Here's where you push your collections. Here's where you push your offers. Here's where you put your sales. This is to make you money. This is not a vanity banner, okay? This is like to say, our Halloween collection is on sale today for 15% off. You put you go to place it. You download a couple of transparent PNGs, mock-ups from shirts. You put a couple of shirts here, in the middle. You put like the sale in there, and now you have a banner that is completely Halloween oriented. Are very focused on that. Your banners should be changing literally with every single season. Sometimes every single month, and sometimes every single week, if that makes sense. Okay, your banners should be for the whole purpose of making you money. I see a lot of people that all they have is literally a flat thing, with the name of the store. They are useless for that purpose. Okay. Remember, we need to make this a money-making machine. So the more you invite the customer to scroll down your store, because now you're telling them, hey, look, you look at our Halloween collection and it's on sale, guess what they're going to do? They're going to go look to see if they like something in the Halloween collection. You're telling them what they need to do. And if they join this newsletter, they're going to get another coupon. They're going to get a coupon. It's like, oh my God, a coupon and a sale. Now, the coupon and the sale most likely are not going to work together because, Etsy doesn't allow for double couponing, but they don't know that until they actually get to the point, right? Yes, it's consistency. Exactly. You want to allow your customers to save. You want to allow your customers to feel that they're coming to the right place. So this banner, in combination with your shop icon, are the most powerful combination of images your store is going to have in terms of marketing.